what specifically we wanted to talk about was the resources that are available to somebody starting with LimaCharlie, and that are free, essentially. So, very often as we onboard people, there's always the question around what can I get up and running with very quickly with minimal effort. LimaCharlie provides a huge amount of power and customization, and kind of really being able to own the detections and develop them and decide how they're applied and how automation works. But very often, for somebody who wants to try LimaCharlie, we want something that's just going to come up and work and give you some value and kind of learn from there on what that looks like. So with this in mind, we have kind of a list of different resources. We're going to go over what they are, what they'll give you, a little bit of information around the flavor, how to use them, and the type of value that they give you.